The unstoppable dream. In the heart of a quiet town nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya possessed a spirit that burned with an intensity matched only by the vivid sunsets that painted the sky over her quaint community. Her dream was audacious yet remarkably simple: to resurrect the abandoned library that stood as a silent witness to the town's changing tides. Chapter 1. The Seed of Vision. Maya's connection to the town ran deep, woven into the fabric of her childhood memories. The library, once a sanctuary of stories and knowledge, had succumbed to the passage of time, standing neglected like a relic of forgotten tales. However, in the recesses of Maya's mind, a seed of vision began to sprout. The library, she believed, could be the catalyst for a transformative journey. Her first step was to share her vision with the townsfolk. In the dimly lit community center, she stood before a diverse group of individuals, each with their own dreams, struggles, and aspirations. The spark in Maya's eyes ignited a fire within the hearts of those who listened, and soon, a small band of believers formed around her. Chapter 2. Clearing the Cobwebs. Maya knew that turning her dream into reality required more than words. The abandoned library, a repository of forgotten stories, had itself become a tale of neglect. Armed with brooms, paintbrushes, and an unyielding determination, Maya and her newfound allies ventured into the dilapidated building. They cleared cobwebs and dust, revealing forgotten shelves that once held worlds waiting to be explored. The creaking floors beneath their feet echoed with the promise of a revival. As the library's physical transformation took shape, so did a sense of community pride and purpose. Chapter 3. The Walls of Resistance. The path to Maya's dream was not without its challenges. The town council, cautious and bound by bureaucratic walls, hesitated to throw their weight behind Maya's vision. Financial constraints and red tape threatened to stifle the nascent dream. Yet Maya faced these obstacles head-on. Undeterred, she organized creative fundraisers that breathed life into the library grounds. Bake sales, art exhibitions, and collaborative workshops turned the neglected space into a bustling hub of activity. The once skeptical town council began to notice the transformative power of Maya's efforts as the community rallied around her vision. Chapter 4. A Tapestry of Unity. Maya's dream wasn't just about renovating a building. It was about building a community. The diverse group of individuals who had joined her cause became the threads weaving a tapestry of unity. The library grounds became a melting pot of ideas, where creativity flourished and the lines between generations blurred. Neighboring towns, captivated by the story unfolding in Maya's town, offered their support. Local businesses, initially indifferent, began to see the library's potential as a catalyst for positive change. The once isolated dream now resonated beyond the town's borders. Chapter 5. Art as Alchemy. The turning point in Maya's journey came when a local artist, moved by the spirit of the project, offered to contribute a mural for the library's exterior. The mural depicted a phoenix rising from the ashes, a testament to the library's transformation. As the vibrant colors of the mural breathed life into the building's facade, it became more than a piece of art. It became a symbol of resilience, rebirth, and the unstoppable nature of dreams. Chapter 6. Overcoming Storms. Maya's path was not without storms. Financial setbacks, disagreements within the community, and the weight of responsibility bore down on her. Doubt crept in, and the once steadfast dreamer found herself questioning the feasibility of her mission. However, it was during these storms that Maya's resilience shone brightest. The community, now deeply invested in the project, rallied around her. Workshops on overcoming adversity, motivational talks, and collective problem-solving sessions became integral parts of the community center's offerings. Maya's unstoppable dream became a beacon of hope during the darkest nights. Chapter 7. The Unveiling Symphony. The day of the grand reveal finally arrived. The transformed library, now a vibrant community center, stood as a testament to the unstoppable dream that had taken root in Maya's heart. The townsfolk, once divided, gathered in anticipation. As Maya cut the ribbon, a symphony of cheers, applause, and laughter echoed through the halls. The community center was more than just a physical space. It was a living testament to the power of collective vision and unwavering determination. Maya's dream had not only revived a neglected building, but had breathed life into the spirit of the town itself. Chapter 8. Lessons in Resilience. Maya's journey left an indelible mark on the town and its residents. The once skeptical town council now lauded Maya's vision, acknowledging the positive impact on the community's social fabric and economic prospects. The library, once a forgotten relic, was now a thriving,